guys, this actually just arrived today or whatnot. We'll go ahead and open this up. This unboxing arrived from Amazon. Let's see what we got here. I didn't even know that they delivered on Sundays from Amazon. Alright. Early birthday present here for me. Alright, I'm gonna sit this down on the floor or whatnot. Alright, here she is. We got the Astro A40 tournament ready headset. So let's see how we open this up. Oh, let's get some tape on the side. Let's see here. And I think this one is just the headset itself. They sell the mix amp separately. I'll probably get that in the near future and add it to it. It was a lot cheaper to order it, just the headset. Alright, let's see here. Let's go ahead and get this open. Wow, this is crazy, yo. Like, I don't know. And there's the back of the box there, guys. Alright, so we got the different specs here. It says tuned with Astro Audio, superior fit and finish. Swappable boom microphone, mod kit ready, and then it says pro gamer certified, built for PC, laptop, and mobile gaming as well. And then let's see, also is for Xbox One, PlayStation 4, Xbox 360, and PlayStation 3. Look at this thing. Put this thing out the other side. Sit that there. Oh yeah. Oh no, there you go. Alright, so here we go. There she is. Wow, that red and black is nice, you know. Alright, so this is the headset itself. Still got the plastic there. And this one also has, because it's the A40, it has the interchangeable face plates, so you can take them off and you can put different things on. And if you like your headset on the what side is this? The right ear, you can put it here. And then if you want your headset on this side or whatnot, it's actually interchangeable with the microphone. You can take this faceplate off and you can put the headset on this side, you know, whichever side you prefer, that type of thing. Just depends on, you know, if you like the right or left side. But this is the headset here. There's the other side, and you got the little top part here. And all this is customizable. Like, you can take this off and get the mod kit on astrogaming.com, and you could actually have this red. You could have these inside things red, this red. And let's see, inside here's your cushion for your head or whatnot. And it is adjustable. Has like the little coils there to adjust the size. You can see that there. Okay, here, this is the audio jack right here or whatnot that you plug into the bottom of the headset, and then into your mix amp or your controller. And then this one, this is this an audio cable, or is this they probably put the connection for the connection? Probably for the box. Yeah, cool. Now let's see what else is in here. Ouch. Alright, so it's got, let's see, some instructions, and some stickers. And it's the stickers there, which is pretty cool. And I think this is just more, yeah, the quick start guide as well. So I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to test them out and probably do a video where we actually test them out, test the sound, things of that nature, and just see where we go from there. And I'll definitely probably get that mix amp, the M80, in the near future. Alright guys, so if y'all haven't already subscribed, click that subscribe button, show us some love. You should hit that notification bell, so that way you'll be notified by email whenever we get any new exciting content for you all. A couple more honorable mentions, proud members of the Rose Squad. Definitely check out EDW7510, just like and subscribe, show them some love. If you watch this on YouTube, as well as Flasco EXP, Lollipop Killer 4, JEGxJUGGALO. We love you guys. It's going down live!
You really shouldn't have come here.
It was a nightmare.
Oh God. Why would they give us that disclaimer, guys? Why would they do that? Oh God. Okay, why'd that door open?
Drop it.
The fuck is that?